In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build Star Schema in Power BI. Before we jump in, make sure your Excel file already contains a fact table and one or more dimension tables. The fact table should hold the numbers you want to analyze, like sales, quantity, or profit, and it should also include foreign keys such as date ID, product ID, and customer ID. Dimension tables store descriptive attributes about those keys, like product details, customer info, regions, and dates. They'll connect back to the fact table to give your numbers context. Open the Power BI desktop app on your computer and start with a blank report. Click Get Data, choose Excel, and open your file. When the preview appears, load the tables you need. Next, verify your tables in Power Query. Click Transform Data on the upper ribbon. Locate your sales fact table, which is your central fact table, and keep only the essential columns: sales ID, date, product ID, customer ID, region ID, sales amount, and quantity. Avoid adding descriptive columns here. The fact table is for numbers and foreign keys, not text descriptions. Keeping it lean helps performance and keeps your model clean. Now review each dimension table. Check that there are no duplicate rows, so each key value appears once, and confirm that data types are correct. For example, dates should be date type, numeric keys should be whole number, and text attributes should be text. Clean, unique keys in dimensions are important because they form the one side of your relationships. With your tables ready, switch to model view using the diagram icon. Power BI often creates relationships automatically. If it doesn't, drag from each foreign key in the fact table to the matching key in its dimension table. For each relationship, set the cardinality to many to one, with the fact table on the many side and the dimension on the one side. Use single as the cross-filter direction, and make sure the relationship is active. This setup creates the classic star shape, one central fact table surrounded by dimensions. If you have a date dimension, mark it properly so time intelligence works. Click the three dots next to the date table, choose Mark as Date Table, select the date column, and save. This tells Power BI which table and column to use for data-aware calculations. Finally, confirm you've built a true star schema. In Model View, you should see the fact table in the center, each dimension connected with a single active many-to-one relationship, and cross-filtering set to single. That's your star. Thanks for watching.